Hey everyone, today I want to take you on a journey into my life and how coding become more than just a skill for me. It became my passion, my purpose, and sometimes my escape. Let's go back more than 15 years. I was just curious about how website worked. One day I decided to try it myself. I opened a blank HTML file, wrote a few lines of codes and saved it. When I refreshed the browser and saw my words appear, styled with the colors and shapes using CSS, it felt magical. In that moment I realized that coding wasn't just writing commands for a computer. It was a creation. I could build something real, something that didn't exist before. Around the same time, I discovered cafe. There is something about the quiet moments of sipping cafe, feeling its warmth, and diving into the code that feels almost therapeutic. It's in those moments that I would hit the flow state, where everything else fades away, time slows down, and all that matters is the screen in front of me and the problem I'm solving. It felt like uncovering a hidden world where every line of code brought me closer to understanding how things worked and how I could create something of my own. But coding wasn't always easy. There were days when I spent hours debugging, feeling stuck and frustrated. There were times I wondered if I was even good enough to keep going. But then there were the breakthroughs. Each bug I fixed, each project I completed reminded me why I started. It was about growth, not just in skill, but in confidence. Every little success gave me the courage to keep learning, to keep trying, and to push through the tough days. I coded everywhere, at home, in libraries, in cafes, wherever I could. Every line of code brought me closer to my dream of creating something meaningful. Over the years, coding has taught me lessons that go far beyond the keyboard. First, I learned focus. Coding requires you to zero in one problem, to block out distractions, and to really think. That focus has helped me in so many other areas of life. I also learned patience. Sometimes you write hundreds of lines of code and nothing works. But if you keep trying, step by step, you find a solution. That persistence has taught me to approach challenges in the life with the same determination. I also discovered the power of creativity. Coding isn't just about logic, it's about innovation. It's like a blank canvas where you can bring your ideas to life. Every project I build feels like a part of me, something uniquely my own. And finally, coding showed me the joy of giving back. Whether it's creating a tool that makes someone's life easier, building websites that helps a community, or even just sharing knowledge with the beginner, there is nothing more fulfilling than knowing you made a difference. These lessons, focus, patience, creativity, and giving back have shaped who I am today. There are not just lessons for coding, they are lessons for life. And I didn't learn all of this alone. Internet became one of my greatest mentors. I watched creators share their knowledge, their struggles and their triumphs. They give me hope and reminded me that we are all on this journey together. They made me believe that one day I could also inspire others. And while I am still learning, I hope this video is a small step toward giving back to the incredible community that taught me so much. Fast forward to today, and my love for coding has only grown deeper. It's not just about building websites. For me, coding is a way of thinking, a way of solving problems, and a way of creating something meaningful. Every time I sit down to code, I feel the same excitement I did on the very first day. The possibilities feels endless, and that's what keeps me coming back. The thrill of learning something new, of bringing an idea to life. Coding has given me freedom, it is giving me courage, and most of importantly, it's giving me a purpose. If you are just starting your coding journey, here is my advice. Stay curious. There is always more to learn. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Every error is a step closer to success. And most of all, enjoy the process. Coding isn't just about the end results, it's about the joy of building, of growing, and discovering what you are capable of. If this resonated with you, I would like to hear your story. Share it in the comments below. Tell me what coding means to you. And if you found this video inspiring, please like it, subscribe, and join me as we continue this amazing journey together. Thank you so much. See you in the next time. And don't forget the good cafe.